Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing a swing trade recap on EVER where a 10% profit was made by an alert of IS2. So let's go over this trade because I think there's a lot to learn from it and recap so that you can also do this for yourself in the future. First off, what are we looking at here? Well, this is the Impeccable Stock software platform, which is built for swing traders to help them know what to buy, when to buy, and why. And so here we go. Let's just break it down. Here is the EVER chart, and what we can see here is it's been downtrending recently. And so again, we almost always take the favor of the trend. If it's trending down, then we're going to assume that it's just going to continue trending down. But what we know from our charts is that once it breaks above the green line, then the market is showing momentum and strength to the upside, meaning that we can have some strength pushing out to the upside. So what did we first signal or see here? Well, we saw that the stock was starting to push above this green line, showing that, hey, momentum is switching and changing. The trend is going from downtrend to an uptrend. The momentum is facing up. When we zoom in on a smaller chart, what we actually see here is that momentum started changing with this really strong rally towards the end of November. And then what we saw here is we started forming a resistance around $11 and then around $12. Why is the $12 resistance important? Well, because the $12 resistance has come into play here before and then here. So what were we looking for? Well, we knew that we had momentum and strength building to the upside purely based on what the software was showing and the indicator that we had on this page right here, showing that when it starts breaking above the green line, momentum is starting to build. You can see here momentum started building around December 15th, December 16th, which would be right in this range right here. Momentum started building. So we got alerted for that. And then we had this resistance that we also got alerted at, knowing that, okay, we're going to be buying above $12. And so that was the game plan, buy above $12. We had this really strong push above 12. And guess what? We set our stop loss here at the lows. We can trade to the upside and we have a nice profit here. And again, because of stop losses and because of being conservative, the software ended up giving a pretty good performance. I think it was right here around a 10% performance trade on EVER. And now again, previous alerts have been triggered for this that weren't positive, but you can see here overall we're doing very good on this stock. A 23% return, a 62% return, and a 10% return. So again, our returns are vastly outnumbering the percentage of losses, but again, you can see losses are factoring more. But again, that's why I said you want to stay away from stocks that are trending down. The only reason why I personally like this trade was because, look, the momentum was switching, the strength was switching, and we had a resistance breakout showing that, hey, the momentum is going up to the upside. So that is really the trade breakdown, trade recap of EVER. The biggest things you want to learn from this is make sure the trend is always in your favor. Make sure that you're looking for resistance breakouts when momentum is up. You want to be trading above breakouts. Always have your game plan set with your stop loss and everything like that. And if you're not already using Impeccable Stock software, if you want to generate reliable, consistent profits, even if you have no time because you work all the time or you have family, whatever, use the Impeccable Stock software to gain access to stocks that are going to break out. Every single day, we give you a list of the top 10 stocks that are going to break out. Here's 9 right here that are going to do amazing. Anyways, guys, see you in the next video. You can click the link below to get a free trial to the Impeccable Stock software. It's going to be amazing. You don't want to miss out on this amazing free software for 14 days. All right, guys, see you in the next video.